Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take your cloud code to the next level. And today's tip is, try not to call multiple promises at once or execute promises in parallel. This is one of the most requested actions we have to do in Back4App because people try to execute multiple promises at once, and this is hugely heavy for the system. And especially if you are in a free plan which has limited computing power, running such actions, running multiple promises at once and in parallel, can freeze up your app. So ideally you should run one promise at once, and once that promise is fully run, you can run another one. So if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. Also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.